Hello guys, here's Abdullah here. Welcome to our new video. In this video, we will discuss about top 10 most beautiful birds in the world, which is the most beautiful bird in the world. Who could possibly can answer this question? Nobody, because majority of birds in this world are so beautiful. However, some species definitely have striking features which could outrank the best. Here the list of 10 most beautiful birds in the world. On the number 10 there is Hyacinth macaw. With an impressive length of 100 centimeters, macaw is the largest of all fly species of parrots in the world. They inhabit in semi-open areas and savanna grassland of northern Brazil. Their population have been declined in past few years. Today, less than 500 macaws left in the world. Habitat loss and hunting are main threats to macaw. Besides, the large-sized macaw is famous for their striking cobalt blue plumage with bright yellow rings around the eyes. Due to this stunning collaboration, macaw, also called a blue macaw, they also have a beautiful long tail and strong and curved black bill. With proper training, macaw could be an excellent pet. To make them comfort, you should also give them a lot of space. They are very playful and not a good at imitating words like some other members of macaw family. You should be aware of our full bill of macaw. It cannot be granted that they would bite you. Even with proper caring and training, the macaw also can be extremely loud when they are in group. On number 9 there is wood duck. Wood duck is probably the most stunningly colorful waterfowl in the world. The male bird has a metallic purplish green head and crest. Their belly is white and chest is dark red. Along the neck they have attractive narrow white stripes. Their wings are patterned blue and black. Female wood ducks are not as colorful as males. They have gray brown head, white belly and white speckled breast. Male birds use their colorful plumage to attract female birds during breeding season. Wood duck inhabit in marshes, wooded swamps, and streams across North America. With unique coloration and shape, the wood ducks are also one of the most easily recognizable birds in the North America. Unlike other waterfowl, wood duck nests in tree hole and form logs. On number 8 there is Bohemian waxwing. Bohemian waxwing is a medium-sized songbird with distinctive crested head and black mask. They are brownish-gray overall and wings have white and yellow edging. Thus Bohemian waxwing is among the most beautiful passerine birds in the world. Bohemian waxwings inhabit in boreal forests across North America and Eurasia, most in Canada and Alaska. In winter, they migrate in large flock to northwest part of United States. They nest on tree branches. Both male and female Bohemian waxwings are known for their high-pitched calls. They mainly feed on insects and berries. On number 7, there is blue jay. Blue jays are one of the most intelligent and beautiful bird in the world. They are found across forests of eastern and central North America. The blue jays have stunning blue, white, black plunge. The most distinguished feature of this songbird is its noisy JJ-like calls. They can also imitate the call of other species of bird. Blue jays are social birds that found in small flock, but in winter during migration to the south. They found large flock of hundreds of blue jays. Their migration behavior still remain a mystery among scientists. Not all blue jays migrate during winter. Some birds remain in their natural territory. Also, no blue jays migrate every year. On number 6, there is Atlantic puffin. Atlantic puffin is a small, well-adapted seabird They are found across the coast of northern United States and eastern Canada. Their water resistance feature keep often spend most of their on while swimming. They flap their wings to swim on the surface and underwater. Atlantic puffins have excellent diving capability. They can reach up to 60 meters on diving. They typically hunt sand eels, capians, and hags. Atlantic puffins are also excellent flyers. They can reach a speed of 55 miles an hour by flapping wings up to 400 times per minute. They breed in each summer and spring on the island of North Atlantic Ocean. 45 days to hatch it. After hatching, adult puffins leaves the nest for finding food for the chicks. They bring back small fishes for their chicks. Atlantic puffins can load between 10 to 30 fishes in their huge beaks. On number 5, there is keel-billed toucan. Keel-billed toucan is among the birds with most amazing bills in the world. They have a huge multicolored beak that will reach up to 20 centimeters in length. Due to their colorful bill, keel-billed toucan is also known as rainbow-billed toucan. Their beak is a mixture of green, red, and yellow colors. In spite of heavy appearance, beak of the keel-billed toucan is hollow and light. It is made up of one type of proteins called keratin. They use this large colorful beak to attract female during the breeding season and also as a defensive weapon. This beautiful bird inhabit in the forest across Central and South America. They have a length of 20 centimeters and weight up to 4 kg. Their plumage is mostly black with a yellow throat and chest. Keel-billed toucans are poor flyers due to their heavy wings. Killbilly toucans are very social birds. They form small flocks that contain up to 30 birds. On number 4 there is peacock. Peacock is most actually the name of male bird of peafowl family. There are three types of peafowls in the world: Indian conogo and green peafowl. The Indian peafowl are the most common type of peafowls found around the world. Peacock male birds are renowned for their colorful display of iridescent tail feathers. Peacocks can grow up to 5 feet in length, which make it one of the largest fly bird in the world. On number 3 there is flamingo. Flamingo is probably the most recognizable boarding bird in the world. The stunning red-purple color plumage itself make flamingo so special among birds. There are 6 different species of flamingo in the world found on every continent except Antarctica. An adult flamingo measures 4 to 5 feet in length and up to 3.6 kg in weight. Their neck is long and leaved and has a distinctive downward bent beak. The legs of flamingos are also very long. On number 2 there is Scald macaw. Scald macaw is one of the most beautiful and largest member of macaw family. They inhabit in humid evergreen forest across Central and South America. They are famous for their colorful plumage. They have bright red plumage with a blue back. Their upper wings are yellow and edged with green color. On number 10, on number 1, there is golden pheasant. Golden pheasants are famous for their brilliant color plumage. They have a beautiful shaped. So guys, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. We'll meet you in next